Today's word is colossal. It is an adjective. It means something that is extremely large in size, used to describe something that is huge, giant, or enormous, often much bigger than what you would normally expect. Similar words include enormous, giant, huge, massive. The dinosaur left a colossal footprint in the mud. We saw a colossal mountain reaching above the clouds. The baker made a colossal cake for the party.
Look at that colossal statue in the middle of the park.
Wow, it is so tall that I have to tilt my head way back just to see the top.
John uses colossal to point out that the statue is impressively large, and Emma confirms it by describing how hard it is to look at the top. Think of the word colossal as a much stronger way to say big. It is often used to describe things like giants, buildings, or big surprises. Can you name something you have seen that was truly colossal?